Hello guys, this is Sir Mars and you are watching Lectures ni Sir Mars. So sa video na ito, i-discuss natin kung paano i-compute yung distance between parallel lines. So this is still under the subject na analytic geometry. Okay, so let us now discuss paano nga ba i-compute yung distance between parallel lines. So if we have two parallel lines, so we have the equation of the first line, which is ax plus by plus c1 equals to 0. And the equation of the second line, which is ax plus by plus c2 equals to 0, then makukuha natin yung distance nung dalawang line na yan. Okay, so take note guys, no? Kapag kayong dalawang lines ay parallel, ibig sabihin, itong first term, yung first term ng ating first line ay same sa first term ng ating second line, and ganun din yung ating second term ng first line at saka ng second line. So magkakaiba lamang sila guys, no, sa third term, which is yung constant. Okay, magkakaiba lamang sila sa third term, which is the constant. Okay, so bali guys, para ma-compute natin yung ating distance between the parallel lines, that is simply the absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay, so ang dali lang, no? So let us now solve an example problem para mas maintindihan natin itong ating topic. Given are the two parallel lines, 3x minus 4y plus 10 equals to 0, and 3x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0, how far apart are the lines? Okay, so meron mga choices na given. So let us now find out kung ano yung tamang sagot sa mga nasa choices. Okay? Okay, so una natin gawin guys is, of course, kailangan nating malaman kung ito nga bang dalawang to ay parallel lines. So ano nga ulit yung ating equations? Yung ating equations are, yung ating line 1, first line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 equals to 0. Yung ating second line, yung kanyang equation is 3x minus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so again, paano nga ulit natin malalaman kung ito nga ba ay parallel lines? Pareho sila dapat nung first term, okay? And pareho dapat sila ng second term. Ayun, so ang pagkakaiba lang nila is yung constant or yung third term. So ayun, so para sa ating formula ulit, the distance is equals to absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of a squared plus b squared. Ang dali nitong ating formula. Okay? So, the distance is equal to, ang ating C2 dito is negative 3. Ang ating C1 dito is 10. Okay? So, the absolute value is negative 3 minus 10 divided by square root of, a natin dito is yung coefficient ng x, which is 3 squared, plus yung ating b dito is the coefficient ng y, which is 4 squared. Okay, so isolve natin ito. Negative 3 minus 10 is negative 13, then itong nasa baba is 5, so this is equal to negative 2.6, pero since kailangan natin ng absolute value, then this is 2.6, and this is in units. So the distance natin is equal to 2.6, and the answer is letter B, that is 2.60 units. So again, the answer to this problem is letter B, that is 2.60 units. So ayun, so ang dali lang nitong distance between parallel lines guys, no? So all you have to do is memorize the formula. So ayun, so please subscribe to my channel guys. So see you in the next video. If this lecture has helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send your questions to my Facebook page, Lectures ni Sir Mars. I will paste the link in the video description. You can also download the PDF of my lectures and PDF references for civil engineering by visiting my site. The link is also in the video description. Thank you again guys. Once again, this is Sir Mars, and see you in the next lecture.